Before you begin this work, you're going to want to safely raise and support the vehicle as high up in the air as you can get it to give you more room to work. And remember, whenever you're working on your vehicle, make sure you're wearing eye protection. This photo illustrates under the middle of the vehicle from the right side of an 8-cylinder E39. Use a jack stand to support the front of the catback system. Note the silver sleeves, green arrows. You can see them in this picture, but they may not be mounted on your car. You may just have the straight metal pipes of the original exhaust. But for the moment, just support the front of the exhaust. Even if you have a 6-cylinder, still support the heavy exhaust. Support the back muffler with a jack and a block of wood. This is for preparation when you remove the muffler mount. Working under the middle of the car again, you may have these muffler sleeves if the exhaust work has already been done, or you may have the straight pipe. You have the muffler sleeves, loosen the 2 rear clamping bolts, green arrows. You should not have to loosen the 2 front clamping bolts, yellow arrows, to remove the muffler. If you have the original straight pipe, measure from a reference point, like this weld at the beginning of where the 2 pipes come together, yellow arrow, to the front end of your new exhaust muffler. Then measure from the same reference point, yellow arrow, on your existing exhaust and mark the measurement on the front of the original pipe, green arrow. Cut across both pipes with a hacksaw or sawzall. Again, always wear eye protection. This photo illustrates underneath the middle of a 6-cylinder model. This car has the original exhaust, so there are no existing brakes in the pipe. Somewhere in between the red arrows, the exhaust has to be cut to match the length of the new exhaust you are installing. Measure where your replacement catback system begins and match that measurement on the existing exhaust. Cut the existing exhaust at that point with a pipe cutter or hacksaw and use an exhaust sleeve to join them together. This photo illustrates the back of the car looking up at the front end of the muffler. Remove the 13mm bolt, green arrow, and allow the jack to support the weight. Remove the rubber exhaust hanger, green arrow, from the bottom pin so that the rubber hanger stays connected to the car. Lower the jack and allow the muffler to drop down. Remove the front jack stand and slide the muffler out the back of the car. This is a heavy, sturdy unit, so you may want to have a friend or helper to help you pick it up and remove it. If you had to saw your original exhaust, you will need to install these muffler sleeves and tighten down on all 4 17mm nuts to clamp down on the exhaust. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.